So this is a key holder here, and this is the magnetic strip. It has this adhesive sticker at the back of it, so I have to remove this 3M sheet and stick it onto the back of the key holder on this section here, and to be able to stick this onto the key holder, right? And then this side, this is the magnetic side, will be able to attach onto the fridge. This is really cool. And also what came in the packet is the instructions, simple instructions, and some screws and stuff in case I want to put this key holder onto my wall, which I prefer not to. I'm going to put it onto my fridge. So let's see how it looks on my fridge. So here's the key holder on my fridge. You could barely see because my fridge is black, as you can see here. And it didn't take me long to get to put this on to get everything put together. So now I'm going to put one of my bunch of keys onto this. And I really like this idea a lot because, you know, normally what we would have done was basically bore a hole into the wall and stuff, and then you know, put the key holder and stuff. But you know, now I could just have this magnetic key holder, put it on my fridge and stuff, and I'm good to go. And it's very sturdy, and based on the product page on Amazon, this key holder, it could hold quite a bit of weight on it. This has basically 8 hooks. So you know, my husband has a bunch of keys on his key ring, so that will have some weight on it. But this key holder could hold quite a bit of weight on it, and I really like it a lot. I'm sorry, I'm surprised I didn't do this before.